Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to get started on some plumbing and going to take and show you some progress that we've made so far. And unfortunately haven't made a lot of videos of the things that we've done. Just, well, kind of things got away from us, and well, kind of hard working by yourself and shooting video. But I'm going to show you some of the progress that we've made. You see we've got the siding up, and we got first coat of paint on. Still have some trim work to do. Moving along here, we got a little repair work yet to do here. We got a fly racker we got to put out here, and then here's the front porch. We're going to come back and stain the deck. We found a sidewalk underneath all the dirt. Well, not sure what we're going to do there yet, but it's coming together pretty good. Looks like a much better place now that we've got some paint on the walls. And if you remember, this wall was all opened up, but looking much better now. Got our slab poured for our outside AC unit. Got our disconnect installed. Like I said, got a first coat of paint on. Just still got some touch-up stuff to do here, but it's coming right along. It should be done here in the next few days. We'll let you know how things have progressed as soon as we have something to update. Thanks for watching.